Hi, it's Brian here from Tillsonburg Cars. I'm here at our local engine builders machine shop. It's Kraushaar machine, Tillsonburg. They're the ones working on our project engine, which is a 396 era correct 396 engine. It has the matching cylinder heads. They've pulled it down, hot tanked it, new frost plugs, line board, honed, bored out actually, and then honed, finished honed so that they fit the pistons. They're brand new Chevrolet pistons. Mick has all the specs on the engine, which will keep you in the loop on as time goes on and we go farther with the build. But as you can see here, everything is brand new. This is the way a professional engine builder does the job, and these guys do our engine work. We trust them. They've done many engines for us and they stand behind what they do. And it's important when you're choosing an engine builder that you ask around and see what their reputation is. Everybody has problems, but it's how the people back it up, and these guys back up what they do. So he's got the heads are all done. Camshaft cranks over there. It's all turned, polished, ready to go. So what they'll do is assemble it. They have a test break-in stand here that they put the engine in. They'll put all the carburetor and the distributor that goes with the engine. They'll fire it up, make sure there's no noises, make sure oil pressure's good and everything's fine. And so when it's ready to drop in, it's ready. It'll be painted and dialed in, and all we got to do is go out and give her a test drive. So I'll give you some specs and some shots of the individual pieces, and you'll see them on our website. Okay, so things are moving along really good, and this is going to be great when you hear this thing sound. When it fires up, you're just going to be, yeah, it's like music to the ears. So looking forward to this. So thanks for watching.